Hi students, welcome to GT Transformation Training Center. GT Rajan, teacher, mind power trainer and success coach. Dear children, the key to success is commitment, discipline and hard work. Have you heard of Abebe Bikila? The first African man who became the Olympic champion in 1960 from Ethiopia. He ran the Olympic competition, marathon competition, barefoot. He had no shoes, but he still became the champion. And in 1964 in Tokyo Olympics also, he was the champion. Oh, there may be so many odds, but determination and discipline and commitment will help you to be a winner. You know what he said to the world after winning the first Olympic medal? He said, I wanted the world to know that my country has won the medal with determination and heroism. Time to ask you or yourself, what is your determination? If you are determined to succeed, 100% you will succeed, you will be a winner. In 1969, he met with an accident. The car he was driving collided with another vehicle. He was injured. He was paralyzed from the waist down. He was sent to England for treatment, where the doctors said they could do nothing for him. You know, he said, it was the will of God that I have won the Olympic medal. It was the will of God that I met with an accident. Men of success meet with tragedy too. Did he give up? No. He was paralyzed from the waist down. He could not walk after that. But he turned to archery field. He participated in archery competition. And he became a champion. My dear children, it doesn't mean how much you have. What do you do with what you have, where your success lies? Focus on what you have. He was focusing on what he had and became a champion. Commitment, discipline and hard work determine your success. Always look at Abebe Bikila. Today we are going to study about T ratios of trigonometric complementary angles. T ratios of complementary angles. In the class you have already studied that sine 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sine theta. That means cos 90 minus 60 is equal to sine 60. That's all. That tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to, just to memorize, cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Sec theta. These are the T ratios of complementary angles. So instead of cos theta, we can use sin 90 minus theta. And using this, and this is the important part, we are going to do some important and frequently asked questions. One question pakka 100% is coming for 4 marks from this part, this exercise. Let us do one sample question. Question is sin theta sin 90 minus theta minus cos theta cos 90 minus theta. Evaluate. Okay, evaluate. Equals sin theta will remain as it is. Let us change one of them. That is the key. Change one of them. What is this? Sin 90 minus theta, we already know. Cos theta minus cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So in this, change one of them and change it. Don't change both. Okay. See now sin theta, cos theta, sin same. So you will get a zero. So simple. Why I do this question? To show you that this is the simplest part of the trigonometry, and you get 6 mark. 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question. So be careful, and simply you will get 6 mark from this part. Clear? The second question, prove that tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, etc. tan 88, tan 89 degree is equal to 1. This is also a board question. Simple one. Very easy. So when you get a prove that question or show that question, you start with LHS or RHS. So LHS is equal to, write the question as it is. Tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, etc. tan 87 degree, tan 88 degree and tan 89 degree. Clear? We have written the question as it is. Now we do some arrangement. Complementary, make 90 and make a pair accordingly. So here tan 1 degree, 1 plus 89. So 1 and 89 is going to become a pair. So tan 89. Then tan 2, then tan 88 becomes complementary. Then tan 3, then what is next? Tan 87 degree and so on. Then tan last is tan 45. This continues until tan 45. Tan 45 has no pair. It has a value tan 45. Now, in this pair, we will change one of them. That is the rule. Change one. Tan 1 can be cot 90 minus 1. Change tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Then tan 89 will remain as it is. As it is. Then tan 2 degree. Cot 90 minus 2 into tan 88. Then tan 3, this pair, cot 90 minus 3 into tan, change one of them, etc. Tan 45 is 1 into 1. Tan 45 we know. And after changing tan to cot, then subtract the angle. Subtract the angle. So we will get a 90 minus 1 is cot 89 into tan 89. Cot 88, 90 minus 2. Then tan 88. Then cot 87 degree, tan 87 degree, etc. 1 into 1. Now, we know, we already studied tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So, we get 1, this is 1 into 1 etc. into 1 equal to 1 equal to RHS. So simple and easily you will get 4 marks. Clear? One more question we will do from this part, which is also very important question. Question is A plus B equal to 90. Prove that tan A tan B plus tan A cot B by sin A sec B minus sin square B by cos square A equal to tan A. Now, very simple. A plus B equal to 90. Then what is B? 90 minus A. Clear? Now we will take LHS. LHS is equal to, as it is you should write LHS, tan A tan B plus tan A cot B by sin A sec B minus sin square B cos square A equal to, wherever B comes, replace B by 90 minus A, that's all, very simple. Equal to root tan A will remain as it is, tan B is tan 90 minus A, B is 90 minus A, plus tan A will remain as it is, cot B, cot 90 minus A by, hereby sin A will remain as it is because A did not change, B, that is sec 90 minus A minus sin square B, meaning 90 minus A, sin square 90 minus A by cos square A will remain as it is, all in full root, complete root, equal to, clear? Equal to tan A, what is tan 90 minus A? It is cot A. So again root tan A, tan 90 minus A is cot A plus tan A, cot 90 minus A is tan A, then by here sin A sec 90 minus is cosec 90 cosec A, sec 90 minus A is cosec A minus, this is sin square, that is sin 90 minus A is cos A, so cos square A by, very simple, cos square A. Now tan A into cot, tan theta into cot theta we know, tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. So 1 plus tan A into tan A is tan square A. Tan square A. We know sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So we get 1. And this is cancelled. This is also 1. Okay. And this is cancelled. So we get root tan square A equal to, simply we get tan A. Be careful while doing, equal to RHS. So simple question, and this question came in the last year also, very important and very simple question, clear? I hope you understood well. Let us do one more question, very interesting question. And this question came for board 5 times board question. Evaluate 3 cos 55 by 7 sine 35 degree. Then 4 cos 70 cosec 20 by 7 tan 25 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 5, tan 65 and tan 85 degree. Very simple. Now, evaluated, though there is no LHS. Just change one of them, 3, one of them, either numerator or denominator. So, sine cos 55 is sine 90 minus 55 degree by 7 sine 35. Don't change both. Minus 4, change one of them. Cos 70 is sine 90 minus 70 into cosec 20. You can change one of them, not both. By 7 into tan 25 degree. Then what is its pair? 25 plus 65 is 90. So this 65 is coming. Tan 65 change into cot 90 minus 65. Then tan 5. Then its pair is tan 85. Can we read cot 90 minus 85. Then 30, 45, 60 comes. Use the value and tan 45 is as it is. Now, this is 3 sine 90 minus 55 is sine 35 degree by 7 sine 35 degree. Clear? Minus 4 sine 90 minus 70. 90 minus 70 is sine 20 degree cosec 20 degree by 7 tan 25 cot 95 90 minus 65 is cot 25 degree. Okay, now after changing, we have changed tan 65 into cot 90 minus 65. After that, subtract the angle, that is the key. Okay, so 25. Then tan 5 will remain as it is. Cot 90 minus 85. Then now subtract the angle. Cot 5 degree. Tan 45 is 1. Now we know tan theta. We know if you write better, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Identity. Then tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Teacher will be very happy to give you full mark. Then 3, this is cancelled, 3 by 7 minus 4 by 7 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is 3 by 7 minus 4 by 7 equal to 7 LCM minus 3 minus 4 by 7 equal to minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7 is the answer. And very simple question. You will get easily 4 marks and always coming for the exam. This is 5 times question for board and I believe you understood. Clear?